Yo, what up? You heard me? Back with another video, twin. Easy, zim. I hope y'all enjoyed that little prank I pulled on my pop, bro. He was heated, bro. He talking about he gonna sue me for drugging him. He was bad, but anyway, I hope y'all enjoy the videos I'm coming to y'all with, because I promise in a couple more days, bro, the content is gonna get crazy. You feel me? Content is gonna get crazy, bro. We back at it with another POV drive. So I just went to the bank, you feel me? Had to put some bread away and things of that nature. This video is a mental checkup on y'all. You know what I'm saying? How y'all been doing? You feel me? What y'all been going through? You feel me? Type in the comments how y'all been feeling. You feel me? And if y'all going through anything, and I will respond, bro. I respond to every comment because, you mean, I'm me. That's tough. So put in the comments how y'all been feeling and things of that nature, what y'all been going through and things like that. And Dame is here to listen and talk to you, Tom. You feel me? Oh, God. But, as y'all can see, we in custom today. I got a mix of everything, you feel me? I got a mix of everything in this gym. As y'all can see, you feel me? Nothing crazy at all. Yeah, man. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Over there, bro, it used to be a whole forest, and that was like, I don't even know what it is, huh? That's crazy. But, bro, I've been seeing a lot of these V's. This white joint right here, bro, I've been seeing a lot of them joints lately. I don't know why. Them joints been popular, I guess. Come on, biker. Why you in the middle of the street, cuz? Oh my God, bro. I be hating bikers sometimes, bro. Come on, OG. You in the fucking way, OG. Alright. That's gonna be teeing me. Make sure y'all tapping with them if y'all got a foreign and y'all broke down or some, you feel me? Let me know. Bro, my mans used to play football over here. I mean, you still in there, your man. Still in there, your man. Oh God, bro. I wanted to get the V straight pipe. They talking about, bro. Everybody I called, they talking about some. Oh, it's illegal. You can't do that. Boy, I didn't ask you if it was illegal or not. I said, do it for me. Like, talking about, nah, that's illegal. That's illegal. We can't partake in that. Bro, I didn't ask you what you could partake in. Do you want to get this manyan or nanyan? Because I don't got to get you nanyan. Do you want the manyan or do you not want manyan? Okay then. Everybody want manyan. At the end of the day, you got to pay your bills, right? All right, bet. Put this straight pipe on this car. That's tough. Oh, yeah, it's not a trackie. That joint hard though. I rock with the colors. I got the keys to your problems. Bro, that song stuck in my head. Yeah, you better slow down, shorty. Hold on, wait a minute. Don't hit me, cause I'm suing for everything, and it's caught on camera. You feel me? I'm taking your whole life away. We're getting every dime. Oh, I just paid for my house. Well, it's my house. Glad. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I've been having fun with this joint. Like, I love how it just pick up. Like, when I want to, I can turn up in it. I love how I could turn up in it. If I turn up in it, I be gone. Oh, quiet. But no, bro, make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and make sure you share it to everybody you know and more. Oh, look at the little dog, bro. That dog little. That's a baby dog. Old head stressing, dying. His forehead big as, hold on. Where old head forehead at? Old head forehead big as hell, boy. Oh, God. Whoa. Oh, he not even old. He a young boy. Yo, he's stressing. Somebody come help him. Give that man a hairline. ASAP, no Rocky. Whoa. Ugly. Bro, that song really stuck in my head, bro. Ooh, Rat Tesla? Brother. That was nasty. I like that thing. Bro, in Philly, bro, here go another Charger. It's like an SXT though. It's cool. You feel me? This is cool, you feel me? Oh, we in front of, is this a church? I don't know. We in front of it though. That's that. I got the keys to. All right, bro. Jordan just made me mad, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That joint just made me mad, bro. There's no reason I did it again and again. You man? You man? You man? They had the cards. They had the cards. And stuff. Bro, if y'all in Philly, bro, and y'all looking for a water ice, y'all gotta go to King's. Y'all gotta go to King's Water Ice, bro. They water ice, guys. And it's right around this corner. Like, as soon as you turn the corner right here, it's right there. That's all. They water ice, guys. I ain't gonna lie. You hit that right, nothing but gas. In all seriousness, bro. But this right here was a short, simple, hot and ready. But this right here was a short and simple video, you feel me? Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Quick little John. I might give y'all a pull right here, and that's gonna be the end of the video. But I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
And I need me to do. If I ain't get paid, I ain't doing the show. Shit, I'm finna